Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So we have seen the Linux boot process. Similarly, let's quickly understand the overview and generic version of Windows boot process of how a Windows operating system starts. So similar to the Linux operating system, here we can see that there is BIOS, there is also a bootloader, there is boot files, kernel, and instead of the init and the run levels, we can see starting services and checking SAM by LSA. So let's quickly understand what are these new things. So the first one is BIOS, which functions exactly the same, which is the basic input-output system which executes the bootloader. The second one is the bootloader, which checks for the NTLDR files if they are available or no. The next one is the boot files, which checks the important required boot files like boot.ini, which is responsible for successfully booting the system. The next is the kernel, which is responsible for the kernel execution of the operating system, which is also known as the heart of the system. The next is the services. So unlike Linux, Windows works on services. So it checks all the required initial services and starts all the services required by the operating system to function. And the last one is the screen which is presented in front of you where you log in with your username and password, which is the checking SAM by LSA. Here, SAM stands for the Security Account Manager and LSA is your local security authority. Now remember, whenever you log in into your computer, your passwords are never saved into plain text. In terms of Windows, whenever you log in, your passwords are hashed and saved into a secure location by the SAM. In terms of Linux, your passwords are again hashed and saved into a secure location, which is only being checked when you log in into the system. So I hope you guys understood the Windows boot process and how it functions. Thank you.